So I am kind of hosting a country dog competition with our dogs, and this is Gertie. She's very excited, so she's probably going to be very excited to do the jumping course. Gertie, she wants to dig right now. Gertie. And Gertie.
She's very well trained.
Yeah, she just ate cat poo.
So what are you doing for us, son?
I'm going to go around through there. We're going to attempt to go through the cones. We are still working on that.
Okay.
Ooh, she just licked you.
That's okay.
And then we're gonna go around through here, go about there, hop over, and finished. And then we're gonna switch to another dog that I was talking about.
That looks like a pretty good jump. And how long have you been training?
2 days.
2 days of training. This is gonna be intense. As you can see too, we have a full crowd today. Standing room only. Even Jasper the cat decided to join us. I mean, the stands are packed, as you can see. Oh. Here's Rowan and her pit bull mix. They're going through the tubes. They're going around the cones. Perfect! And let's see, they're doing something over there too. They're gonna jump that stick. Oh, they're going for the jump! Oh my goodness! And the crowd goes wild! Wow, that was amazing. I don't know how this tag team duo did it. That took days of practice, almost 2 full days of practice, right?
Yes, we do reward our dogs after every training session. And anything that they're having trouble with and they complete, they get rewarded.
Here's actually a homemade dog treat that Rowan made.
You guys want a tutorial on how to make
with a little bit of her honey too. So go ahead and award your dog agility dog. I mean, that was just impressive. I've never seen a day like this at Whistle Thicket. Dog agility, ladies and gentlemen. Can you believe it? Yes, you can.
Moving on to our next dog. Come on, Gertie.
There's another dog you're gonna do this with?
Yes.
Wow.
Gertie.
This evening is just amazing. I love coming back from a day of work to see some action happening at Dog Agility.
Gertie.
Well, even Jasper the cat has something to say here. Jasper, a comment for the camera? And Jasper says no comment today. Well, go ahead and show us your next dog here. I'm pretty excited to see what's going to happen.
Okay. So this is Silo. All of the dogs, the 2 dogs that have been doing jumping today are rescues, and he's excited to go, so he keeps pulling on the leash to see if he can go. But he is a rat terrier mix, we think, and we are going to do the same thing as Gertie, except we're a little more advanced, so we're going to go through those cones and finish over there.
Ooh, more
But
advanced.
If you guys stay right here, you're going to get to see us go over the jump forwards.
Excellent. Rowan and Silo D Dog.
Ready? Let's go.
Oh, perfect execution. They're going around that stick. Oh my gosh, you're going for the jump. Oh! Another amazing execution of dog agility at Whistle Thicket, ladies and gentlemen. Should they do the jump again? Can they do the jump again? Whoa! That was an amazing event. I can't wait until next year. That was just, wow, the crowd is blown away. I mean, even Jasper the cat is just going crazy over there. That was quite a day of agility. Rowan, anything you have to say about your dog agility here at Whistle Ticket?
Yes. No.
No. It's been another great day on the farm. See you next time.